This is a short training video on the accountant's copy feature in QuickBooks. This video specifically will be about importing an accountant's changes. We have other videos training on how to create an accountant's copy and either send it or save it to other physical media. And once the accountant has completed their work on the accountant's copy, then they're going to send what's called accountant's changes back to you, the QuickBooks user. And you're going to want to import those into your QuickBooks file. Here's how you're going to do that. You're going to go to the File menu, Accountant's Copy, and you're going to pick Import Accountant's Changes. From here you would tell QuickBooks where those changes are, or where that file is located. It could be that it's on a CD drive, or it could be on a flash drive. You're going to navigate to that drive letter and then to the folder where the change file is located. In our case, it's on the desktop, so we're going to say that perhaps our accountant attached that to an email and sent that to us, and we just pulled that attachment off the email onto our desktop. So we're going to select that now to import that into our QuickBooks file. So once I have that selected, I will click Open. And the first thing QuickBooks will do is it will show me a list of the changes that the accountant has made. Now obviously your list is probably going to be much longer than this. Only one change was made for this file for the purpose of this video. But in any event, you will have a list like this. You can choose to print that list by clicking on this button way down here in the lower right, or save it as a PDF file. I'm just going to click on Incorporate Accountant's Changes. Now QuickBooks will require me to do a backup. I will say OK, and I will just allow it to create that backup on the desktop. It's always a good idea to have a backup copy whenever you're doing an import. An import could cause some type of data corruption or something like that, and a backup will be a protection. If something goes wrong, you can always go back to that backup copy of your file before the import was started. So QuickBooks is going to make us do that for safety, and as soon as it is completed that backup copy, which is right now, it's telling us there it's completed that, then you see the message, now it is incorporating the accountant's changes, and it's going to take just a moment or two. It's creating a little report for us to look at, showing us what changes were made. We've already seen that, but it's creating another little report for us here. And as soon as that is complete, which should be just a moment here, okay, so there, it's completed. There's our little file, our little report, I should say. And again, we could save that if we wanted that or print that, but I'm just going to close. And this is recommending that we set a closing date, which is something that we will cover in other training materials. It is a good idea to use a closing date, but we won't discuss that in this video. Well, you'll see that my file, which used to say Accountant's Changes Pending up here, no longer says that. The file is now fully functioning. All of the changes that the accountant made are incorporated into the file, and so now I am ready to go until the next time I need that feature. Thanks.